Nyinyi watu ya media, Nation newspaper, I want to address you today because I think it's a time to call you out. To the run-up of the general election in 2022, you joined AZIMIO to run a campaign against President William Ruto. You carried fake opinion polls, you, Nation, showing that Raila Odinga will win the election. The people of Kenya ashamed you. You ran fake narratives every day that William Ruto is not electable. The people of Kenya told you off. You started another campaign of another lady from Kirinyaga, a headline at the mother effect. Raila alipata 47 votes hapo Mugubo Primary School, hiyo mlikuwa mnasema mother effect. You ran a narrative that once Gachagua has been nominated as running mate, William Ruto atapoteza kura. Tukakuja tukanyorosa nyinyi pamoja na AZIMIO. You seem to be living in denial. You have not accepted that the people of Kenya made a decision and elected William Ruto as president. Today, shamelessly, you wrote a headline on the failed promises. You never even looked for one paragraph to say what the president and his government has achieved. I want to give you 20 issues that the president has achieved for your tomorrow's headline, if you can be bold enough and objective enough to tell the people of Kenya the truth. Na hiyo project yenu ya AZIMIO hakuna pahali itaenda. Mlishikana na serikali iliondoka na AZIMIO kumharibia rais huyu wetu jina and to incite the people of Kenya against the president. President William Ruto has been in office for 8 months. He has achieved many things. More than 50% of the promises he made to the people of Kenya, he has kept. And he still has another 4 years and 4 months to keep all his promises to the people of Kenya. Listen to me carefully for your tomorrow's headline, if you are objective and bold enough. 1. Niwaambie hii watu ya Nation ni watu ya AZIMIO. And they are part of the AZIMIO campaign. And they are still living in denial.